Suna East Member of Parliament Junet Mohammed was released on bond after he was charged with hate speech at a Homa Bay court. And as Chris Thairuna reports, Junet denied the charges.
Suna East MP Junet Mohammed was arrested Friday morning as he traveled from Kisumu to Migori County for a political rally on grounds that he had propagated hate during one of the NASA rallies in Homa Bay County. And after some questioning at the county and divisional CID headquarters in Homa Bay County, Junet was arraigned in court, where he appeared before Homa Bay Principal Magistrate Susan Degwa. The court had that the words were intended to incite contempt, hatred, and discrimination against a certain community. Junet denied the charges and was released on a 500,000 shillings bond and a 100,000 shillings cash bail. After his release, Junet claimed that his political detractors were targeting him.
This is just political intimidation. They are sending signals to other people using me. You know, they are trying to show that they are not going to spare anybody. And I'm just a guinea pig. They are sending a message to other people because they are planning to rig the elections.
Any attempt at muzzling my client's right to free speech, I think, is a minus on those who are doing it. Let us all allow people to express themselves.
Junet later joined the ODM brigade for a political rally in Homa Bay County, where he continued to tour into the Jubilee administration, accusing the regime of trying to muzzle opposition leaders.
Let us not use or misuse our offices as law enforcement officers to express anger and punish people perceived to be of a different political ideology.
Junet Mohammed is not new to controversy. Last year, he was among 8 legislators who were arrested and detained for 4 days over hate speech. NCIC has already warned politicians against propagating hate during their political rallies, warning of dire consequences for those found guilty. Chris Thairuna, KTN News.